What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and in this video today, we're going to be taking a look at the Buds 1 by the company TECNO. Now, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to the company for sending it out. I really do appreciate any and everything that we get here on the channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get to it. Right, you guys, so if you are in the market for a pair of earbuds, you can find these right here on Amazon. I'll make sure I throw a link up in the description, but the price is going to be about $19. So let's scroll through real quick and see what else we can find on the product page. Right here it says it has Bluetooth 5.0, some super powerful battery. Earphones get about 4 hours, and the charging case gets about 12 hours. We have some true wireless stereo sound, and you do have controls on the actual earbuds themselves with some deep bass enjoyment and things like that. So let's just take a quick look at the box and what comes inside. So taking a quick look at the box, it just has typical branding. It says TECNO across the top and Buds going down the side with a nice picture of the earbuds and the case itself. Some pretty good presentation. I'm loving it so far, but what I want you guys to do for me is pause the screen right here and take a read over this important information about these earbuds. So once you open up the box, you are greeted with the manual sitting right up on the top. Just a typical manual, tells you how to use the headphones, tell you about the controls and things like that. So make sure you take a look at that. Next, in the little plastic little pouch, you're going to have your micro USB with an extra set of earbuds. Make sure you take a look at those and make sure you get the right size for yourself. After that, last but not least, you're going to have the case itself with a little bit of plastic wrapping around it. Once you get that plastic wrapping around it, you'll see it right across the top. It has some branding that says TECNO right up at the top, but the case is pretty white, so you may not be able to see it. Taking a look around it, typical case, looks kind of like a case we've seen before, but at the bottom, it does have a spot for your micro USB. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. So let's take a deeper look at the actual case and the earbuds themselves. So the case is pretty light. Does feel good in the hand, but it is very, very light. One thing I also noticed about the case is that it has the branding, and if you open the case, it does not stay open as per something like the AirPods. When you open it, it stays up. This one doesn't stay up. And just so you guys can see, this is the AirPods Pro, and this is the TECNO Buds 1. Cases are similar, but they are different at the same time. As you can see, TECNO Buds case is bigger, kind of almost has the same shape, but it is a little bit different. So just for those who wanted to see them side by side, looking inside of the case, as soon as you open them up, the earbuds are trying to pair. But let's take these out really quick and take a look at the earbuds themselves. They look pretty nice and they feel good in the hands. I like the way they look. They look very stylish and they look very small as well. I also already have taken a listen to these and changed out the actual ear tips to the small ones right here. So right now I want to go over the touch controls with you guys, and then we'll talk about how they fit and how they sound. So as far as the touch controls go, just double clicking can play and pause the music. On the right one, if you click the earbud while the music is playing, it'll turn the volume up, and the left one will turn the volume down. To get to the last song, you'll just triple click the left one, and to get to the next song, you'll just double click on the right one right here. And the same goes for phone calls and things like that. So before we talk about how they fit and how they sound, let me go ahead and show you how you pair these up. So all you do is go to Bluetooth right here on your phone, go down to the bottom. As soon as you open these up, they'll start to flash, and at the bottom you'll see TECNO Buds 1. All you do is touch that and they should pair instantly, just like that. And now you're good to go. So every time you open up your phone, they should instantly connect, and you don't have to do anything else after that. All right, you guys, so before we get out of here, I want to talk a little bit about how they fit and how they sound initially out of the box. So I had to take off the larger tips and put on the smaller tips just so that I can get a good seal. And with the smaller tips, I was able to achieve a good seal, and they did fit pretty well. As you can see right here, I did wear them to the gym the other day, and I had them on for about a good hour in the gym, and the controls were working pretty good, and the sound at $19 was pretty good. But you guys know me, I need about a good week with these earbuds, going back and forth to the gym, sweating and things like that, so that I can see if they pop in and out of my ear, because that's one of my biggest pet peeves. But as far as sound quality goes, for right now, I do like them. They do sound really good, but give me about a week. Let me get some really good, testing with these as far as durability. Let me really get into the sound and go through a lot of different tracks, because I got a lot of different playlists in my phone. So that'll give me a better representation of what they actually sound like. And I can come back and give you guys like a real honest assessment after about a good week. So it'll be like more of a full review. So give me that little bit of time and I'll come back and give you guys my honest assessment as far as the sound quality goes. But for right now, for listening to them for about a good hour in the gym, changing out the ear tips and putting them in, and for the price being at $19 right now, I'm enjoying these right now. So with that being said, let's wrap this video up. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay. I see you guys in the next one. Peace.